So my name is Amy Poncelow. I'm a PA here at Lucas County Health Center. I live here in town with my husband and our 6-month-old twins, boy-girl twins, Calvin and Nora, and our big dogs. I've been in town for about 2.5 years. Originally, I'm from Des Moines, the Beaverdale area. My husband's from Eldon over by Fairfield, so he's kind of was used to the small town. So I started after high school. I went to X-ray school at Indian Hills in Ottumwa. Did that for 2 years, graduated, then I got out and started working. Worked for about 5 years and then decided to go back to school. So I went to Mercy College in Des Moines and got my bachelor's, and then I graduated and went to Des Moines University and went to PA school and ended up down here. So I chose to practice medicine because my grandfather was a GP in a small town in Iowa. So growing up, it was he was old school medicine where people would come to the door and he made house calls, like Christmas Eve, people would show up and need shots of penicillin, stuff like that. So I kind of grew up around it. When I got out of school and started working as an X-ray tech, I was young because I was like 19. So I was looking for kind of the next step, and I worked at this great clinic on the south side of Des Moines and worked with some wonderful PAs, and they kind of just motivated me to go to PA school, and that's where I ended up. I have twins, so when I'm not at work, I have twin 6-month-old babies. My husband and I are pretty involved in town. I'm on the dog park committee, which is tiny but mighty. We're trying to get a dog park in Sheraton. My husband's on the movie theater board. I'm in a sorority. I'm in Kiwanis also. My husband and I are both in Kiwanis. So we have all that going around. Plus, we are lucky enough to have a really great group of friends here in town and in Des Moines. So we're socially pretty busy. We very rarely have a weekend that we're not running around doing a million things. So we're very busy. Green Bay, definitely Green Bay Packers. We were lucky enough to go see them last year, and it was perfect. It was December, which Green Bay's open, so it's cold, but it was like snowing just a little bit, and my husband did get a tear in his eye because it was beautiful, and they won while we were there. This year, not such a great year to be a Green Bay fan, but yeah, we are diehard Green Bay fans. But we also went to a Kansas City Chiefs game last year, so we kind of might have to be Chiefs fans a little bit too. So we watch a lot of football at our house. If I wasn't practicing medicine, I would definitely be doing something with animals. I'm a crazy dog lover, kind of like a crazy cat lady, but with dogs. We have two big hound dogs. Both of them are from the Lucas County Humane Society. We rescued them. And like I said before, I'm on the dog park committee. And so we are trying to get a dog park here in town at Franklin Park, which is just kind of this open lot right now that the city owns. There's nothing there except for this old slide. So we are about 1/3 of the way to our goal, getting funds to put up the fence, and it'll have a small dog park area and then a bigger dog park area so that the little ones can play and the big ones can be off to the side and nobody gets hurt. So, but we're pretty excited about it, and a lot of people in town are pretty excited about it too. So, for our little fur babies to play. The staff here is really probably the biggest reason that we're here, is that the providers are so great and wonderful and easy to work with, and the nurses are kind of like family, especially with having twins and my family being far away. This weekend one of the nurses called our little clinic family, and that's pretty true.